Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to generate images using Grok AI in 2025. Grok AI is an advanced artificial intelligence tool that can create high-quality images from simple text prompts. Whether you're a content creator, designer, or just curious about AI art, this guide will help you get started quickly. To begin, open your web browser and go to the official Grok AI website. Once the page loads, sign in with your account. If you don't already have one, you can easily create an account using your email address. After signing in, look for the option that says Image Generator or Imagine. Click on it to open the image creation page. Here, you'll see a text box where you can type your prompt. This is the description of the image you want to generate. For example, you can type a futuristic city at night or a cozy coffee shop with warm lighting. When you're done typing your prompt, click the Generate button. Grok AI will take a few seconds to process your request and then show you several image results based on your description. You can click on any image to view it in full size or download it directly to your device. If you want to make changes, simply modify your prompt. For example, you can add details like in watercolor style or with a mountain background. Then click Generate again to get new results. Once you find the perfect image, save it by tapping the download option. You can use the image for social media posts, projects, or creative designs. That's it. You've now learned how to generate beautiful AI images with Grok AI in just a few easy steps. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials.